Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a Snapchat filter for an event. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to access the platform to create your own event filter. So you can simply go to the platforms like on-demand geo filters, or you can simply find Snapchat create menu on the web. Now, all you're gonna do is simply go and subscribe to it first. After you have done this, you can simply create a design. Use a template or design your own by selecting a design template from Snapchat offerings, or use a tool like Canva or Prism Creative to build one. Once this is done, you need to set up the filters detail like schedule, location, and simply submit for review. After finalizing the design, date, time, and location, submit your filter for Snapchat's review and complete the checkout process. So this is how you can create a Snapchat filter for an event in 2025. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.